Okay, so we got another box break of 2013 Score. This is Sophia's favorite packs to open. She loves getting green ones. And then as a bonus, we have 6 packs of 2011 Gridiron.
Whoever gets the autographed one gets to open these.
So we're trying.
Whoever gets the autograph in this gets to open that.
Well, hopefully we'll get some of the good rookies that are only in that set. So we're gonna start with the red ones. Okay, Sophia, we'll save this for last.
Whoever gets. I can't open.
So these packs.
Whoever gets the autograph gets to open one of those.
Yep. Alright, let's get some opening going. JJ Watt. First round. Seahawk. Got his first touchdown as a Seahawk. Richard Sherman. Tony Miyake. Green one. Peyton Manning. Right. Told you to get the kid scissors.
These scissors don't work.
Hey, Dejuan Harris. The Dejuan Harris era in Seattle didn't last very long. But that is his rookie, and he was a Seahawk. Aaron Rodgers. Wonder what he's going to do in the playoffs this year. Sophia, here, do you need help?
That's the wrong kind of scissors.
Okay.
It's the wrong kind of...
Here.
Mommy, Daddy, that kind was the wrong kind of scissors. That was kind of plastic scissors.
Oh, it's in Donkey Kong. Another Peyton Manning. Hey, hot rookie.
Hot rookies are awesome. Every pack have one green one, but my daddy got more green ones.
Yeah, I actually got most of the set of the greens now from packs.
Daddy, you get an autograph. You get to open one of the black
I see a blue one coming up.
You get the...
Andre Ellington. Nope.
No autograph.
Wait, we'll put that in the separate pile. Just
I see a blue one.
Peyton Manning. Ooh, EJ Manuel.
I see a blue one.
Sophia got the blue one. Tavon Austin. Tavon.
Full Seahawk.
Beast mode. That's not the beast mode. Just make a pile, Sophia.
No.
As you go through them.
No, Daddy.
Yeah, just make a pile.
Hand them to you.
No, that's too hard. Just make a pile once you go through them.
Daddy, you get any autographs, you get to open the black one.
Eric
That's
Decker.
the rule.
Probably.
Whoever
Russell Wilson.
gets an autograph,
Brand Nassib.
whoever gets an autograph gets to open one of these black ones. Daddy, you get an autograph, you get to open the black one.
Okay.
They're kind of simple. One of mine came sideways.
Jimmy.
I see.
Hey, another hot rookie.
Hot rookie.
You got a hot rookie? EJ Manuel. Russell Wilson. The best quarterback in the league. Carson Palmer, second best quarterback. Didn't look so good though.
At least I got one we don't have. Daddy, you get a nice look. You get an autograph, Daddy. You get the open.
The Quill.
You get the Mommy. Daddy.
Desmond Trufant.
Daddy,
What?
you get an autograph. You get to open one of the black ones. Some of these I haven't looked through.
T-Jack. 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 And good luck. What you doing?
Trying to open my pack. Open it! You naughty pack.
Naughty pack. It didn't want to open?
One came backwards in mine.
Yeah. Ooh. Eli Manning. Him chokes. It's still funny when you call him chokes. Considering he has 2 Super Bowl wins. A blue one. D-Jack.
Cool.
D-Jack.
This one looks cooler.
Let's see. Okay, we'll put that in your pile. Geno Smith.
Hot rookie.
Hot rookie. We got Stefan Taylor.
Seahawk.
Oh, you could tell, but we'll put it in the green pile because it's. I've already got that one in my Seahawks box. D-Jack.
Somebody's
Oh wow, Vernon Davis. Look at he's not getting blown up by Cam Chancellor.
Hey, Angela!
There's some beast mode here.
Daddy,
What?
we already have that one.
Yep. They're mostly duplicates at this point for the green one. I think we need 5 or 6 green ones still to make this set.
Daddy,
good?
you open, Daddy, you get a hot rookie. No, you get a autographed one. You get the open one of these.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Wait, use the scissors if you have to.
Found it. I just opened it by the back.
It's your German. Chris Gregg. I'm the Gregster. Who's the Gregster? Yeah, he's the one Sophia opened.
I dropped one of my purple Seahawks.
Great, double on Austin.
We got more greens. I got to check some of these. Almost there to popping. Dad, you can help me pop this open. No, help me pop it. It's a little helpy.
That's something.
You got any autographs yet? I got my garbage on him.
Jordan Reed. Oh, I don't know if I have that one.
Jordan Reed.
Cordell Patterson.
How much?
He was on Rick's fantasy team.
What's a fancy team?
That's where you get points based on how their stats are each week. Yeah, he had a couple big weeks, but mostly
Here.
not so good.
I think I have an autograph. Seahawk.
Blue Seahawk.
I got 2 Seahawks.
Beast mode.
Jaguars.
No, it's Jaguars. Beast
I
mode.
didn't check some of these.
Beast mode. Terrell
I'm
Pryor, I
gonna
didn't know
try out one of these.
Eric Weddle, I already got that.
We can try out one of these.
No, let's save him for last.
No. Whoever
no,
gets the autograph gets to open it. Whoever gets our autograph gets to do it, Daddy.
Okay.
Get open one.
To Juwan Harris.
And blue. I'm just sitting down for opening now. Because I got a Seahawk.
Here, Russell Wilson.
Let's see who it is. And no, I got a Jaguar. And it's super hard to open. No, it's a hawk.
Who is it?
It's
Oh, a turbine. Gavin Escobar. What you got?
Look at this cool one.
Sean McCoy. And Donkey Kong again. Wait, Hot Rookie. Marquise Goodwin.
Green. We have more green.
Dolores
No
King.
blue.
Dontone Jones.
Hey.
Oh, don't put them like that.
Why?
Because show them off. Matt Hasselbeck's in that picture. Jared Allen sacking Matt Hasselbeck. De Hasselbeck. Don't hassle the Beck. Bryce Brown. Moiyaki.
He makes a touchdown.
Yeah, Sophia got a new card book. She can put the cards she's picking out in there. Wait, you want Andrew Luck? You need Andrew Luck.
Jaguar.
Who we get? Denard Rock. I don't
Jaguar.
think we have that one. Right on.
They're both Jaguars I got. in my
Yeah.
set. Got him, Sia.
Travis Jones. What are you looking for?
Trying to look for the Sia. Nope. Just get Sia, Dada.
Go purple
We are almost out the cards.
Well, let me get the other packs. The surprise ending.
And the diamond pack.
T-Jock.
Diamond stuff.
Hot Rookie.
And the diamond things. Whoever gets them,
Keith Wilson.
whoever gets some more hard rookies gets to open all of them.
Oh,
No,
gotcha.
no, I'm gonna open them because
Because you're the big helper. Hey, blue one. Green one.
we have more greens. Don't you think? Daddy, show up the pile.
Yeah, the base cards, I don't think. Just show them. In case somebody's watching this and wondering if they should buy a box. Oh, there we go. Hey, Travis Kelce. I don't think we have that one. He's actually good. And T-Jack.
Oh, I don't got that one.
T-Jack.
Daddy,
What?
I had that one. He makes the touchdown.
Christy Harvey. Oh, you want that purple Seahawk?
He's make a touchdown.
Hey,
That,
where's our autograph? We didn't get our autograph card yet.
oops.
One autograph.
One of my cards got on it.
One autograph or memorabilia per box. We didn't get it yet, and there's only 3 packs left.
Let me open the 3 packs. Daddy, check out my cards.
Hot rookie Deion Jordan. I don't think we have that one. Eric
We
Fisher.
don't have a dolphin yet.
T-Jack. T-Jack. Should be getting the autograph pretty soon.
But let me open all of them.
Okay, we'll let you open the rest because then you can get the autograph. So you get super excited.
And I get to open one of the black ones.
Yeah, and you gotta tell me.
I get to open all the black ones. I get the autograph.
You gotta tell me what autograph you get.
This pile goes in my pile. Last pile. It.
Oh.
Sorry, Daddy.
Seymour. H. Sanders. Oh, there's a lot of Jaguars in this set. Where's our autograph? Where's our autograph?
Oops, dropped one.
So, yeah, so even though it wasn't sealed when I showed it, she just ripped the seal off. She got too excited. But the box was sealed when we got it. Oh, we got another Gronkowski. Hey, careful. Don't drop her.
Giant! Daddy!
One pack left. That better be on her. I got your autograph.
Put it in my pile.
What do you want? The
Put
top
it in
one?
my pile. I just want all the ones I get in my pile.
Okay. You gotta put them in your book now.
No,
Okay.
in both that was special
This
book.
better be our autograph. Last pack. Getting kind of worried.
They only do it one way. And it's this way. The screen.
It was Matt Barkley.
We don't
I
have.
didn't think we had that one. Huh. Well, that's kind of disappointing. No autograph? Did we miss one? It was sealed when we got it. But yeah, I don't see. Got one of the blue ones. Didn't sneak in there.
Ooh. Pretty. At least we got pretty pack.
Those are one of the green ones.
I want to open this one up. I get to open this one up.
Careful with those. You can get some good cards in that set.
I
Go
get to open this.
I don't see an
I
autograph.
get to open this one.
We didn't miss a pack, did we? Drop a pack?
No.
It's not in your pile either. Well, that's kind of lame. We didn't get our thing.
Boo! Boo!
Alright, so here's the 2011 Gridiron. And Donkey Kong, the Matt Hasselbeck. Keen Dent, that's not who we wanted. Mike Williams.
Blank!
Oh, we got a blank. Oh boy, super exciting.
No, it's not. We can make our own card with it.
Yes, you can make your own cards. I'm still disappointed we didn't get our
Free.
hit.
Daddy, what the attic looks like?
The attic looks super messy.
What it looks like?
Looks like fiberglass all over with some wood.
Ew.
Mario Manningham, Corey Luigi.
Daddy, no open.
I know, I'm waiting for you.
No opening any packs.
I'm
No
just
opening any those packs. No opening any in my pack.
I'm just disappointed we didn't get our thing.
At least we got a lots of greens.
Well, but you get those in every pack. Oh yeah, you look through the whole thing. Alright. They're in the
Cards left. And the diamonds come. The diamonds come next.
Dan Branch.
The diamonds come.
Charles Woodson, hey, he just retired. What do you got there?
I don't know. I'm just making them anyway.
Dwayne Harris.
Hello.
Hey, Cutler.
I am famous. Yes. I saved you the last pack. I get the.
It's okay, you can open it.
No, I'm saving it. That's for my papa.
Aren't you sweet? I'm still looking if we dropped a score pack somewhere. I don't know how we didn't get our... Every other box that said it got hits has gotten a hit.
I give this one a 0. I give this
Careful,
one.
there's some good cards in here.
The last one for
You're not
my
looking at them?
Daddy. The last one's for my papa.
Muhammad Wilkerson.
Daddy, open your card pack.
Okay. Beast mode. Is this the last pack here? Alright, you gotta put yours in there? Another one of those blanks. How about instead of a blank, we get something good?
No! You can make your own
No.
card, Daddy.
Dante Mach. I don't know who that is. Fred Jackson.
Daddy,
Well, Fredix.
you can make name cards. You want to make a name card?
Hmm?
You can make your name card.
Name cards?
Okay, now time to open up these.
Oh, that's okay. Well, that's really disappointing. We didn't get our hit. I don't know.
Time to. This one's broken.